Welcome back everyone, this is Tuned Up Ty back at it with another fucking video, and today we'll be doing a install on a carbon fiber rear extension provided from Inline 6 Auto. I will provide a link to these as well as a link to the website down below in the description. This is a high quality part, and Inline 6 Auto, if you don't know, is a well-known BMW aftermarket supplier. He has really high quality pieces, so I do recommend you tune into his website. But yeah, today we're going to be doing an install on these. These come with 2 self-locking nuts as well as 3M tape, and yeah, once you install them, they're not going anywhere. They're really high quality OEM fitment. I do apologize for this form of introduction. I did record this originally, but it did get scrapped on my camera, so I had to just do a little voiceover. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, please drop it in the comments below, and let's get right into it.
So we're gonna use this shit and unscrew these mud flaps. God damn, they're kind of dirty. I'm not gonna lie, we probably think we used the wrong one. All right, so unscrew these hose. Hey yo, what the fuck? Sound like R2-D2. Alright, so we got that removed. Now, you got these 8mm bolts all around the fender liner, which I believe are, I hope they're 10. I mean 8mm. We're about to check right now. Yeah, it's an 8mm, my bad. So we're just gonna loosen these up, get them off, so we can have access to pull back this fender liner a little bit. And letting you guys know that it is pretty dusty down here, so if you are underneath, watch your eyeballs. Once you got those removed enough so you can actually at least so you have enough to pull it back, there is going to be 2 more down here, right there, 1 and 2. Those I believe are still 8mm. Yep, they are 8mm. So once you have that removed, you now have all the space that you need to fuck around. I do need to take off, there's 2 more down here, which I believe are not 8mm, they are bigger than 8mm. Alright folks, so underneath the F30, there's gonna be this little panel that's tucked in up here. I just untucked it underneath. And now you have these 2 clips right here. We're going to be using these 2 holes and these 2 holes inside this plastic liner to insert the bolts that came provided from Inline 6 Auto. But in order to use these holes, we do have to remove these clips right here. To do that, unfortunately, you gotta use a screwdriver or a flathead. Snap it off. Boom. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. FYI, please wear glasses or some type of eye covering, because this shit's getting hella dusty. Boom. We got that shit off. Once you have this pulled down far enough, you're going to be able to finagle with your fingers. To get the bolts rearranged in there. So it goes like this. A little sneak peek of how it looks first. And it is real carbon fiber, not that fugazi bullshit. We don't fuck around with that fake shit. That's why we're poor right now. But we're gonna get our bolts. Be careful with the carbon, you don't want to crack it. Once you loosened up all the plastic liners, you want to put your lug nuts or nuts, or I don't know what the fuck you call these shits, but you want to put these that he provided with you into the holes in the carbon extension. They do have the little top piece that screws right off, but we're not going to put that on until we insert in the hole and then feed our hand through from where the wheel liner is at. So you want to make sure you put this in and have all the, there's like 2 plastic fender liners in the clip holes that line up on top of those holes. And then once you do that, you just feed your hand to the inside, and that's where you'll be able to see the top end of the screws. So if you're looking or trying to figure out what I see on my side, these are where the top screws are at on the holes from the fender, the bottom of the fender. There's one, as you can see, in the front, and then one in the back. So once you do that, we're gonna feed the little top screws, these little shits, on top of those, and then we're gonna start putting the fender liner back onto all the clips and everything.
Makita. Alright, so we were able to get it on. It was a little pain in the ass. I had to use my friend Rick's hand because my hand was too big. But as you can see, this is how it looks on the body line of the car, and this is not going anywhere, bolted in pretty shut. If you want to come around to the back end, that's how it looks along with the diffuser. Pretty fucking clean, real fucking nice. All right, so once you have bolted that in, you want to do basically the opposite of what we did. So there's gonna be the 2 bolts, remember, that are 8 mils underneath the diffuser. You're gonna tighten those up, and then once you do that, you realign the fender liner from the wheel inside, and yeah. All right, guys, so we ready to bolt up the ones on the bottom, and now we're gonna bolt up 1, 2, 3, 4. These right here, the ones that are on the top and up here, those are the 10 mils. But other than that, these are all 8 mils. So you're just gonna grab your bolts and fucking drum brake. So you got the mud guard back on with the canard. Looks like a little wide body, a little bit wider. I like that. I like that. So gotta put these little thick boys. Yes, we're running Continental Extreme Contacts. Fuck Michelin, whatever. So we gotta put this bitch back on. If you don't know me, well, I tend to scratch up my calipers a lot. That's what he's on. Nikita. Huh. So I tend to scratch these bitches up when I put them on because I don't got studs. So like always, we're just gonna fucking full send that bitch. You feel me? Alright. Don't mind Nikita. She's perfectly fine. We're not abusing her. She's just a little whiny.
You're one yourself.
No. But I fix my cars.
Okay.
Got the wheel back on. Did all the lug nuts. I am a little bit tired off the first one already, but you know, grind don't stop. Boom. I'm gonna slowly jack it down.
Your stand. The stand.
Your jack stand?
Sir, your jack stand.
Remember,
He's forgetting steps already.
remember, guys. Slowly lower down your jack.
Slowly, like nice.
So that's how the first side looks already. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Shit. Yeah. Alright, so like as always, you want to make sure that you tighten back your lug nuts, torque them right.
so it doesn't fly off at the next Infinity driver and on the highway.
You don't know, we're in Built by Firestone's also shop right now. You know the vibes, but we just finished the left side of the car, and as you can see, it fits really fucking nice actually. Really in tune with the body of the car. We did the same exact thing, took the wheel off, of course, removed our mud flaps since we did put these on. These weren't from factory. Then you just remove your millimeter. There's 2 or 3 8 mils and then 2 10 mils up here. One there, and then up there somewhere. And then you remove your 8 mils underneath here. You replace those with the nuts, the self-locking nuts provided by Inline 6 Auto. And then you just fist your hand through the fender liner like we done the other side. And then boom. That's the end result. As you can see how it looks on both sides. And there you have it. I will be including a link down below in the description for these. These were from inline6auto.com. If you want to purchase these yourselves, please do by any chance. If you do have your own F30, I highly recommend them as they really transform the rear end and make it look a little bit more wide and aggressive for your tasting. Back again, this is Tuned Up Ty. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned.